Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Daniel in Texas on the Stryker SR-447HPC2. Daniel, you ready to go, bud? Our tune alignment and cap upgrades. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. 2 watts all the way down, that way if you decide to run an amp or so, you got full adjustability. 15 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Did I mention Toshiba voltage regulator? Anyways, Toshiba voltage regulator. Hello. 46 bird average. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello. 100 watts in the corner. Daniel, we'll get this out to you, bud. I appreciate it. If you're watching this and you've purchased a radio or planning on purchasing a radio, looking at 10 to 15 business days back on builds. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.